Here's one for the Camaro fans. Real deal too. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe. So the X77 data tag, Z28 special performance equipment. DZ block 302 underneath the hood that's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Power steering, power brakes, cowl induction hood that is in working order. Let's take a look at the chin spoiler. Chrome bumper up front, Z28 grille, great looking front end, and paint code of 76 Daytona yellow. Black standard interior. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, engine bay, interior, trunk, and more at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Rally slotted wheels, beauty rings, center caps, Goodyear Eagle ST radials. Great look on this car. Let's take a peek down the passenger side. You can see paint shows well. It's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Of course, bucket seats, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side. Take a little closer look at that. Start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. And of course, if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Dual exhaust with headers. Good look at the chrome rear bumper and of course rear spoiler. These are painted stripes and cleared over. That's not vinyl. Once again, all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. A couple notes from the technician on this one. Again, that cowl induction hood is in working order. Brakes are 70% in the front, 80% in the rear. Battery gauge was in op. And some minor powertrain seat, nothing out of the ordinary. This car was driven, actually came out of long-term ownership. Previous owners had it for just about 20 years. And is in the mood for something else and is thinking 429 Cobra. So it is available to purchase. And if you like these Camaros, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Let's take a peek at the interior. Door panel looking good. You'll be able to see underneath the floor mats and the still pictures, but carpet in good shape. Not noticing any rips, tears, holes. The seating surfaces, vinyl buckets. Aftermarket stereo has been installed. Let's go ahead and fire this up. And again, 302 power yet. DZ block. Looks good. See stereo powered up. Tack is working. I'm going to let this warm up a little bit. It's slightly cold-blooded. Sounds plenty healthy, that's for sure. Definitely a little rumble coming out of that one. All right, let me go ahead and pause this a second. I want to get this hood opened up and check out that engine bay. All right, good look underneath the hood and engine bay. Aluminum radiator. Again, power steering, power brakes. There's the headers, Holley floor barrel on this one. Running pretty smooth, but it sounds bad. What a great look. Paint's in nice shape. Real deal 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe. 507-386-1726 number to call. uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a very nice 1969 Chevrolet Camaro in yellow and black with a 4-speed manual for the most fun. We have a Sony stereo on the dash. It does work. Let's see what kind of noise you can make. Beautiful noise. The 302 just has its own sound. It has a little bit more rap to it, or rasp to it, a bite. The tachometer and speedometer are working. The clock is counting the seconds. Down below on the center console, the fuel gauge shows a little under half a tank. The battery is charging a little over halfway. Our temperature shows cold. That one hasn't moved yet. The oil pressure is showing 60 to 70 psi, so that's all looking good. Primarily stock looking, but for that Sony CD player in the dash. Horn even works. Vinyl bucket seats. We have the optional shoulder belts mounted in their holder up above. Brakes feel good. Let's make sure we get second gear for the best cornering. Corners the way you would expect. And it's just a fun exhaust note coming out of this car. Definitely going to catch some eyes with the yellow and black and a nice paint job. Take a look at all the pictures of this 69 Camaro at uniqueclassiccars.com.